how to upload file, image or video to the cloud using N8n. So hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can upload any file or image or videos using N8n to the cloud. So let's get started this video. So in this video, we are going to upload an image and video to this Cloudinary platform. What it does is basically it hosts your file into their cloud storage, and those file you can access publicly. So it has a lot of advantages. You can use it for that. Now let me show you the requirement. First thing, you have to have account on Cloudinary, and the second one is you have to have an N8n instance. If you have not created an account on N8n, you go into description and you can get 15 days free trial using that link. So let's get started this video. Now as you can see, this is my on form submission, which is basically select the video and the image from my computer so I can upload it into my cloud. So I have set up this two HTTP node. The first one is upload the image and the second one is upload a video. Now let me show you how you can set up that. As you can see, I am right now using the post method to upload an image. Now from here, if you go into URL, you have to copy this URL. If you want to upload an image, so you have to copy this URL. Make sure you have changed this name. So I will show you how you can get this name. Now let me just go to my Cloudinary and sign up for free. Let me just sign up with my account. Okay, there we go. So okay, there we right now. Now in the top left corner, you will find something like this, which is product environment name. So you have to just copy this much and you have to replace it from here. Let me just replace it, and that's it. You have to set up this much. And if you scroll down a little bit, I have turned on this cell body, and into this body content type I've selected form data, and here I have entered two body parameter. First one is N8n binary file, which select the binary file which is coming from my computer, and I have given the name of file and the image name. Now from here I have selected this parameter type to form data and upload a preset and N8n upload. So if you go into my settings, from the left side you can access the settings. From here you can create your own assets or file to upload to the specific folder. Now let me just show you. Upload, go to upload. Now from here you can create or upload a preset or create a preset from here. Now as you can see, I have created this N8n upload, which is this one, which I have given this name. So you have to make sure you have entered the right value name. So yeah, and make sure you have chosen the mode. Let me just show you. Click on this add upload preset button. You have to give a name and you have to select the unassigned mode from here, and you can add a asset folder as well. So I will not do that. I will just select simply this one and copy and paste it over here. And after that, from here you have to just simply copy from or you can just take a screenshot and you can copy it from here. Now and if you go into video part, the URL will be a change a little bit. Instead of me using image, we are going to use a video over here. Make sure you have changed the name. You have to enter the right environment product name over here. Now if you scroll down a little bit and into body parameters, you will find this input data field name. Instead of images, earlier HTTP node we have added the image. Now we have added, so it is basically upload a video onto the cloud. So yeah, let me just simply execute this workflow and demonstrate as simple. Now you have to choose the file. So first one is video, so I will select the video, and the second one image, so I will select the image. I'll just simply click on the submit button and it will start uploading your image or file or anything to the cloud. So when you open this, you will get this publicly available URL. Let me just show you. Now, as you can see here, we have this URL. So you can use this method in a lot of workflows. Whenever you needed to have a publicly accessible URL, you need to have, then you can use a Cloudinary for that. It is very easy and it comes very beginner level friendly. You have to just change your name and set up some configuration over here. You can copy this exact same and you can upload the file and image as well. So that's it for today's video. And if you found this video helpful and informative, then subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.